Let's start. Add a cube. Tab to edit mode. Select the face selection. Press I twice to insert individual faces. Then select individual origin, and extrude. OK. Drag it up and add a plane. Now add a curved circle on the top and scale it. Then add a camera. And grab it close to the curve. Then select the camera. Then the curve, press Ctrl P, follow path. The camera will rotate around the cube. Now select the camera, Object Constraint Properties, add Object Constraint, Track to, select the cube. Now the camera will focus on the cube. Selecting the camera, reduce the focal length to full view. Now let's do the main part. Go to Geometry Nodes. Select New. I will drag it down and change this to Geometry Nodes for better work. Now let's start. Shift A to add Join Geometry, because we will join different layers of nodes together. Now add Distribute Points on Faces node. It will distribute anything we add. Then add an icosphere. Add Instance on Points. Icosphere is an instance. Add Points to Points, Instance to Geometry, and Mesh to Instance. Reduce the radius. Subdivide to make it smooth. Two layers have been done. Now add Mesh to Curve node. And a Curve to Mesh. Join Curve to Curve and Mesh to Geometry. We can see the curve. Now add a Profile Curve, search Curve Circle. Reduce the radius to 0.01 or 2. Let's add something on the joints. Search Mesh to Points. An instance on Points to add any instance. Join Geometry to Mesh, Points to Points, and Instances to Geometry. And any mesh, like an icosphere. And do the same. These are. Now adjust them a little bit according to your needs. Now let's add different materials for different objects. So add Set Material. Set it before the Join Geometry node. Shift D to duplicate and add it to all the 4 layers. Now we need to choose materials for them. So go to the Material tab. I have already created different materials before. One is blue emission, metallic gray, transparent glass for the body. Use the glass BSDF. Let's create an orange emission material. Increase emission strength. Go to Cycles. Now back to Geometry Nodes. For this, choose the blue emission. Drag it and go to Material Preview mode. This is the body, so choose the glass BSDF. Steel for the pipes. And for the joint, choose the orange emission. Now go to Render Preview mode. Add an area light with blue color. And you are done. Thanks.